Hi, it's Mike, the nature artist, and I wanted to show you something that I made recently. And I want to give a shout out to all of our new subscribers. This little writing desk and chair, I'm naming it J.R. Tolkien's writing desk or the Hobbit's writing desk. So it's got this wonderful little chair made out of bark, and it's got a little bird's nest perching on the side of the grapevine. And it's really whimsical. The little vanity dresser desk, writing desk. I've got some paints here, a little book, some drawings, inkwell, a little box, some pencils, and then teacups and saucers, and a goblet there. And it's got bracing on the sides and grapevine. And that one, I will be doing a full tutorial on our fairyartschool.com, hosted by Teachable, and I'll be showing that whole thing and be showing you how to gather and what materials to use and how to make it. So that'll be a lot of fun. I hope you'll join us, and you can follow those links below as we're going to be posting them soon. Thanks. See you again.